Hey everyone, welcome to the Luminant IAS Academy. I'm Meena Bhardwaj. So let's start our quiz series in which we are covering 31st December current affairs. So our first question is, which of the above matches are correct regarding disputed territories and countries related to? Golan Heights, Israel and Syria, West Bank, Israel and Palestine, Sir Creek, India and Pakistan. So match these. So our answer is D. All statements are correct. Golan Heights, which is a disputed area between Israel and Syria, it is simply a region, and the main conflict here is disagreement between the legal status of demilitarize the area. West Bank, Israel and Palestine, it is a disputed area between the Israel and the Palestine. The ongoing struggle between these countries is started in mid-20th century, in which it is a main reason we can say because of Jewish migration. तो उस माइग्रेशन की वजह से वहां पे डिस्प्यूट होना शुरू हो गया था. सर क्रीक, इंडिया, गुजरात एंड पाकिस्तान. Yes, it is a disputed area between the Gujarat and the Pakistan. Actually, Sir Creek is known as local Ban Ganga. Local name is Ban Ganga. It is 96 km long estuary in the marshes of Run of Kutch in Gujarat, where Arabian Sea joins the land mass. Actually, it is a basically fluctuating tidal channel, not truly flowing a creek. I mean, it is a tidal channel too, not truly, fully not a creek, and currently lie on the border of India's Gujarat and Pakistan. Pakistan's Sindh province. Let's more know about it. In the Run of Kutch, where the land masses emerge and slip back into the water. So these are known as marshes. The joint survey held by India and Pakistan in 2007 claimed that Sir Creek had shifted nearly 1.5 kilometer eastward. और तभी से ही पाकिस्तान एंड पार्टीशन के टाइम पे इसकी बाउंड्री अलग नहीं हुई थी, और तब से पाकिस्तान क्लेम कर रहा है कि वो रीजन उनका है. Let's know more about some backgrounds of the about it. Actually, India has a 7,470 kilometer, 17 kilometer of total coastline, which is shared by 9 states. And in Gujarat, with 1663 kilometer, is the state with largest coastline. So it is characterized by two major gulf, which is Gulf of Kutch and Gulf of Cambay. So here पाकिस्तान का एक पार्ट है जो कोस्ट लाइन है, जो कि जुड़ी हुई है इंडिया के गुजरात कोस्ट से. तो बट वहां पे कोई बाइलेटरल एग्रीमेंट नहीं है उस चीज को डिफाइन करने के लिए कि वो मैरीटाइम बाउंड्रीज है. तो ये बाउंड्रीज अनसेटल्ड है. तो वहां पे बिकॉज वहां पे कोई फिशिंग लॉ वगैरह नहीं है, और मैरीटाइम जो जोन्स हैं दोनों के बीच कहा जाता है कि वो UNCLOC के अंडर बने हुए हैं. तो एक तरह से वहां पे कोई रूल या कोई ऐसा एक्ट नहीं पास हो रखा है, इस वजह से ये एरिया डिस्प्यूटेड रहा है. एंड इसके पीछे काफी हिस्ट्री है, सो वी विल डिस्कस इन अनदर टॉपिक, वरना बहुत लॉन्ग हो जाएगा. ओके, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन इज eBay e-auction portal enable online auction of coil blocks, assets attached by banks, non-timber forest produce 5G spectrum. So to which it is related? Remember, it is e-auction portal. So our answer is B. Assets attached by banks. Actually through this जो बैंक्स है वो ऑनलाइन ऑप्शन कर सकते हैं अपने जितने भी अटैच्ड एसेट्स है, ताकि एक ट्रांसपेरेंसी बनी रहे. एंड इसका सबसे मेन जो फीचर है कि इनको लिंक, जो इनके लिंक है वो सभी पीएसपी ई ऑक्शन साइट्स पर लिंक कर दिए गए हैं, जितने भी फीचर्स हैं. एंड जो इसका मेन फ्रेमवर्क है, उसका जो मेन एम है वो है सिंगल विंडो एक्सेस टू इंफॉर्मेशन ऑन properties. So we can they will provide a single window access of the information. And yes, this is launched by Union Finance Ministry. So next question is, which of the following are correct regarding IMPS immediate payment service? First is IMPS is designed to be used for transferring small amounts with upper limit of 2 lakh. IMPS is free without any extra charge. So our answer is A, one only, because there is some charges. It is not free. And yes, IMPS, which is immediate payment service, is a tool or in which it is used for transferring small amounts, and there is an upper limit of 2 lakh. And this is designed for the mobile users, where we can simply use a PAYS MMID, which is mobile money identifier, to make transfer. So this is for transfer small amounts. Next is, it is the body of water between South America's Cape Horn, Chile and South Shetland Islands of Antarctica. It connects the southwestern part of Atlantic Ocean with the southeastern part of the Pacific Ocean and extend into the Southern Ocean. The water body described above is Gulf of Aqaba, Bass Strait, Drake Passage, Sir Creek. Sir Creek का हम अभी भी पढ़ चुके हैं, so you can easily eliminate this option. So now you have 3 options. So it is C, Drake Passage. So let's know more about it. It is a body, water body between South America, Cape Horn, Chile and South Shetland Island of the Antarctica, and it connects the southwestern part of the Atlantic Ocean with the southeastern part of the Pacific Ocean and extend into the Southern Ocean. So yes, you must know about the where is the Cape Horn, America's Cape Horn, Chile and South Shetland. So try to know the location of these. Which of the following statements are correct regarding the preamble? First is, the preamble is based on the objective resolution moved by B.R. Ambedkar in the Constituent Assembly on December 13, 1946. Second is, word socialist and secular were inserted during 44th Constitutional Amendment 1978. So choose your correct option. 1 only, 2 only, both, none. So our answer is D. None of this statement is correct, because preamble is adopted by the Constituent Assembly in 1949 and declared India a sovereign democratic republic. It is not enacted in 44th, even 42nd Amendment of 1976 during the emergency. The word socialist and secular were inserted. So please remember, 42nd अमेंडमेंट में इंसर्ट किए गए थे सोशलिस्ट एंड सेक्युलर। प्रीएम्बल पर हर बार एक क्वेश्चन जरूर आता है, तो ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है। द प्रीएम्बल इज बेस्ड ऑन द ऑब्जेक्टिव रेजोल्यूशन मूव्ड बाय Jawaharlal Nehru in the Constituent Assembly on December 13, 1946. So, बेस्ड है ऑब्जेक्टिव रेजोल्यूशन पर, जो कि जवाहरलाल नेहरू जी के थ्रू शुरू किया था, उन्होंने स्टार्ट किया था इन द कॉन्स्टिट्यूएंट असेंबली और इन 1946, एंड दिस रेजोल्यूशन इज अडॉप्टेड ऑन January 22, 1947. So this question was important. Please revise these questions, practice these questions, and see other videos too, so you can get the information or current about of the December. So please practice these questions, comment below, and if you want me to make a video on some specific topic, then please mention below. Okay, if you like it, please share, subscribe and like it. Thank you so much.